Okay, so today I am going to focus on being able to get the Flask app to run the LinkedIn API. So yesterday I was able to show that the HTML side worked, and then we're going to make sure that we can run this Flask app. So I already know that this HTML code is functional, right? There's different ways to do this. I guess most people wouldn't just comment it out. I don't care what most people would do. I'm just trying to get this done ASAP so I could rapidly iterate and make sure that this is functional. And if you're new to this, then all I do is every day I'm just showing how I use like code. What is this one? Code Cursor. I probably will start looking into Code Whisperer since everyone talks about that one so much. And ChatGPT 4.0, stuff like that, to get my coding done faster. And right now I'm I am building an app that will let people that are landowners like myself be able to post on a secure platform. And this is really for me. If someone else uses it, all the better, but this is for me. And so I own the land, and I want people to be able to look at my land and tell me like, hey, I'll pay, or houses or whatever, and I'll pay for these upgrades if you let me live there for this cost, and you get this much money every month for the next so many years. And the reason I'm doing it is because I want to flip my own houses, not to sell. I'll never sell my land, but to make sure that I am building towards an assisted living facility because I want dogs to be closer to man. So then I am finding creative ways to fund that. I tried going to the SB, to the Small Business Association, but it's such a hassle, and I don't want to have to become a healthcare expert just to get to borrow money as a veteran when I could just hire somebody that's an expert in that. So instead of going uphill battles that way, I'm going to see if I can use everything that I know with advertising, and that's why I've been posting so many YouTube videos. Like, I want to see how good I am at like catching attention. Except I'm gonna do it on LinkedIn. So I'm gonna find targeted people that are able to fund my dream while I help them or their parents, because a bunch of baby boomers are about to retire, be able to have a place to host their families while it helps me build towards my assisted living facilities without me having to like take on more projects. Do I fear that someone else will take my idea? Sure, someone else can build it, all the better. Like, I'll use it. I'm just saying, like, I own my land. I'll own the digital real estate. I don't need to patent the idea because I am or maybe I should. I shouldn't say that. Maybe like at some point I'll be like, oh, this is B&B Airbnb guy. Like, so this is bid and barter. It's not bed and breakfast. So this is rentbnb.app. And then let's stay focused because I want to make sure that I get this done today. And then, this is where I was a little bit getting stuck, was with AWS. So that's when I decided to pivot away from AWS, because that I can do another day. I think that's where I left off yesterday. So I am going to LSF-I9. Wait, what was it? I forgot. I forgot what it is. -I. Alice of -I kill, I think. Yeah. How could I forget? I don't know, but I have it written down. Alice. I just haven't used this. It's like Alice of -I. Wait. First, I need to see if I even have any processes running. Alice of -I. And I think that this was running on, let's see, it was running on 5,000. So let's check it on 5,000. I think this is the command. If it's not, if I can't remember it, I'll just look it up. 5, 1, 2, 3. So nothing is running on there. So I should be able to run my Flask app. And I think my Flask app is just Python app.py. I think, if I remember correctly, that's how I do this. Okay. So then I am running it on 127, 5,000. Let's see what it looks like. Continue. The request. Okay. So then now we know that the HTML side is working. We know that our Flask app is working. There's got to be a way for this to be like updating without me having to restart my local Flask app. Oh yeah, I forgot because I'm recording my screen. Okay, so I'm just going to scoot this over. But right now I'm not going to worry about that. But I know that there is. Okay, so then I know that I've used that before. Okay, so I'll ask ChatGPT in a minute because I haven't used it in a while, but I know that I've done that before. Okay, so then I know what it is over here is that in my backend. Where are you, backend? Bid form. No, app.py. Over here, I need to put in all of my own stuff. So I'm going to stop the recording here, right? And I will record a different video, but this is basically like all I really need to change. So by tomorrow, I should be able to be working on the front end, and my goal is to only spend like maybe 1 hour a day writing code, because, well, the thing is I'm very neuroplastic, right? So other people need to dig deep into the details. I don't. I really believe in rapid iteration, test-driven development. So I can spend all day perfecting like how many pixels to the left I should move stuff and shit like that. But like I am on a mission to get the proof of concept done, and I care more about that than I do about the front end right now. And I don't need to memorize all of this because it's all probably going to change anyway. So this is what it looks like when you're an AI architect and you really know your code enough to get through it. Like I'm not a senior Python developer, but I understand every type of code well enough to like be able to leverage ChatGPT. So I will use this in lieu of interviews and to kind of represent my brand. I just want people to know what it means to be a ChatGPTer or whatever, you know, and be able to like code really fast, since that's come up at another job where they were like, how are you even doing this? Well, this is how I'm doing it. No, I'm not outsourcing somebody to help guide me. This is really this easy if you know enough of the fundamentals, and if you're able to use your own brain to think through logic. Yeah, I said it, fools. I said it. Bye.